Dental implants have revolutionized tooth replacement options in dentistry. Dental implants can be a standalone, so they can truly replace what the patient once had. You can brush and you can floss around it as you would a natural tooth. It is a fixed option, meaning it doesn't come out, it's not removable. And the best thing that my patients tell me sometimes is they say, well, I kind of forgot it was there. And that's really what we're striving for. If a patient has an implant and then they forget they have an implant and it feels so natural to them, it's just like their tooth used to be, then we've really done our job. And so one of the biggest advantages of implants is the ability to replace a tooth in a manner that the patient forgets they had a replacement. So when you have a dental implant, you no longer have to worry about things moving around or shifting or being unstable. And so you can, in a very confident way, smile, interact with people, enjoy the foods you want to eat, chew how you want to chew, without the fear of something breaking or falling off or shifting or dislodging, which can be embarrassing, which can sometimes be painful. And dental implants really allow anyone who has them to just function in a seamless manner. And it can be on a single tooth implant, it can be implants utilized to support a denture. But what makes implant dentistry challenging is the planning, and that's what you get when you come to the Carolina Center, is that we utilize the latest technology, the latest techniques to plan each case individually for that patient to make sure that we get exactly what we need from a functional and aesthetic outpoint at the end.